Oh, hi there. I'm Safari Jack. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we have a very special guest coming that we're gonna make a special seasonal meal for. For autumn. Come with me and let's cook together. So, you might be asking yourself, what are we making? Well, let me tell you. We've got my Mimi's special pumpkin spice pumpkin pie pumpkin. That's why we have this pumpkin for the season. And it says, always bake with love. Good old Mimi, she was a smoker. And don't forget don't know. So, let's get cooking. So now's the part of the show where we prepare our ingredients very carefully, ready to go. But we do need one thing more, and that is to prepare the pumpkin. Good thing we have the right tool for the job. Here we go. Give it a little cut. All right. Look at that. It's perfect. It's always important to test your ingredients as you go to see if they're good enough for Mimi's recipe. Good fiber. Cooking is all about precision. Put it in the blender. And it's very important to pay attention to detail when you're making stuff, which is why it's perfect she gave me this recipe, so I know exactly what to make. Oh no! It's blended! Blast. Blast off. Come with me. Let's go outside. Oh look, that's my producer, Penny. Hi, Penny. Come with me. Let's get some tinder. You need small things to start a fire. All of these autumn leaves. Perfect fire starters. All right, let's go. We've got to get ready for my special guest. Oh, thank you very much, Miss Penny. These are my sound crew. Billy, Bobby, Betty, and Bo. First thing we gotta do is build a fire. We want to be safe. A little bit more tinder. It's perfect. Let's roast some pumpkin. All right. So, it's one more thing. Don't forget the eggs. That's what it was. Good thing my producer, she prepared these just for us. Even in the wild, it's important to never get sick. It's also important to test out the ingredients. So let's give this a go. Good source of protein and vitamins. Let's try the yolk. Perfect? Perfect. That'll work. Blend it all out. I still can't remember what Amy said at the end. Remember the spice. Peppers. Oh, all right, let's put that. I can already tell. Oh, look. What have we got here? There's spices in here. Let's check it out. Cayenne, turmeric, and sriracha mama. It's always good to combine your flavors. All right, I think we need more liquid. That looks pumpkin-y, maybe. What's in here? Oh, look at that. Flour. Put a little flour. And a chunky salsa. Pretty good. Let's put a little bit of that. Okay, let's try this. That's perfect. Just gonna put it over the edge. One more thing. Let's see. I know we have some. I know we do. Yes, mayonnaise and ketchup. But same thing with ketchup. You never know. Is it good ketchup? Is it bad ketchup? It's good. Let's put it in there. All right, more mayonnaise. Big spoon for a big ingredient. It's so good. That's the best mayonnaise I've ever tasted. Give that a little blend. A good feeling about this. It is a pumpkin spice, pumpkin pie, pumpkin. After all, let's put this in the oven. Put this in there. Perfect. Now, the good thing is we have one pre-made, ready to go for the sake of the show. So let's pull that out and serve it to our guests. So, here it is. Perfect. Oh, I think I hear him coming. Nothing like a little bit of egg wash to get ready for guests. He's here! Captain Wallace! Welcome! Captain Wallace! Perfect timing! Glad you could come. Look what I made us for dinner. Come on into the dining room, Captain Wallace. Wow, you're a hungry cat. All right, Captain Wallace, are you ready to try this delicious meal that we've made? Let's look at it. What do you think about this? Give that a sniff. Mmm. He likes it. It's a success. Now I'm gonna give it a whirl. Mmm. That's the most heavenly thing I've ever tried. And that's what safari is all about. Come and join us next time as Captain Wallace and I go on safari together. Good boy, Wallace.
Let's go on safari with Safari Jack. Survival and friendship and action.